Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Jennifer and Jessica and we are twin sisters who love to share everything hair and beauty related. So if you're interested in that kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and keep watching. Hi guys, today's video is going to be showcasing a super potent rosemary water recipe. Rosemary water is one of the easiest and most powerful old age recipes for hair growth. We've been using it consistently for the past 2 years, but recently we upgraded this recipe and it has been transformative. So today we'll be showing you how to make the most potent rosemary water recipe. This recipe not only stimulates hair growth, it also improves your scalp health as well as awakens dormant hair follicles. Today we'll be using just 3 ingredients. The first ingredient we'll be using are dried rosemary leaves. Rosemary leaves promote nerve growth in the scalp, thereby restoring hair in areas it was lacking. It also improves blood circulation, which prevents hair follicles from being starved of blood supply, dying off and leading to hair loss. The second ingredient we'll be using today are peppermint leaves. These pair up perfectly with rosemary leaves. The extracts from mint leaves are a good source of keratin and antioxidants that promote hair growth and prevent hair fall. Mint leaves also contain potent antimicrobial and antifungal properties, which are also used to treat dandruff and lice. The third ingredient we'll be adding is horsetail. Horsetail is a plant rich in silica, a mineral essential for hair growth. It is especially known for improving hair strength and reducing breakage, whilst enhancing the hair growth rate and density. Frequent use of horsetail helps reduce hair loss and boosts the strength of hair follicles.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby, it's just twist your body and mine. Some kind of butterfly, baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh,
When it comes to the benefits of rosemary water, there are so many. Rosemary water is known to decrease hair loss, it boosts your hair growth, and it promotes scalp health. It's also known to prevent hair fall as well as treat your split ends. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, rosemary leaves help heal dandruff, itchy scalp, and rebuild your scalp health. It does all of this as well as add shine to your hair.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
Now, how to use rosemary water. Rosemary water should typically be sprayed on the scalp of your hair. However, you do not need to wash it out, and you can apply a rosemary oil right after to seal the moisture in.
Baby, you give me ice and fire.
Secondly, rosemary water should be stored in the fridge. Guys, this is so important. If you leave it outside the fridge, it goes rancid. You need to store it in the fridge, and it should be used within 7 to 10 days. These ingredients are all natural, but if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, please ask your doctor before using it.
You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
Now guys, kindly let us know in the comment section if this video was helpful to you and if you'll be trying out this super potent rosemary water recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.